out of the guard. In a real fight, I don't want to sit here and try to do a guard pass, cartwheel guard pass. I want to get out of here as quick as possible. I have a knife right now. He has a knife. He has friends. I can bite him.
Cameraman, save me!
Exactly. See, I'm in trouble now. I'm in big trouble, and this has actually happened to me in real life, more or less. Not that exact thing. So Chris can grab the top of my head. Okay, he's putting pressure. Now in MMA, we're just gonna cross-face. In real life, no, I'm going right for his eyes. Okay, posturing. Now keep in mind, Chris, I have your eyes.
Oh.
You see? Okay, I'm coming up, okay? Cross-facing, but this in real life is eyes. This is ear. I'm pushing. He's still got his legs wrapped, okay? I can hit to the groin, all right? Now, say I don't want to hit to the groin. I can come up here, but his legs will break, okay? Now try to grab my legs and take me down. Good solid stance, everybody, okay? Exactly. I want a good posture, right. So I'm here. So now I can hit to the groin, out. I'm not messing around. Want to go that way a little bit, Chris? You okay?
Yeah, but...
Try not to gouge you in the eye for real.
No, you did fine.
Say he has double wrist control. Okay? Here, wrap around. Let's look at this slowly. I'm going around, breaking. Okay? Going around, breaking. Groin. Okay? Out. Here I am. Groin. I'm out. Attacking the eyes, grabbing the ear, breaking wrist control. I don't want to do the Jiu-Jitsu game, okay? Okay, he's got here. He's thinking about a triangle. No. I'm out. Okay? I don't want to go, oh, I got a guard pass here. I'm going to guard you, okay? Groin hit, everybody. That's another one. You okay? Sorry. I've called this one. This actually is...
Super effective, actually.
We're going to have to come up with a name of this. The Tower of Doom? I don't know. So I'm here. I'm out. You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Sorry about that.
I've been hit there so many times. It doesn't even matter anymore.
Yeah. So here we are. Again, wrist control. Wrapping around, out. Circular out. Punches. Punches to the groin. Up. Out. Good posture when I'm getting out.
Okay, step one, when I've got control of the wrists, is you need to break the wrist control. And to do that, you take your hand and you make a blade and you turn your wrist down. Once it's down, you just twirl it around and you break the grip. If I have the opposite hand, you still do the same motion but in reverse. It's actually easier to break out if I have the opposite hand locked on. Now keep in mind, while you're doing that, or if he's giving you a little bit of trouble, you've still got use of your elbows. You can come over and hit it in the face or the throat. You can come back and slam it into the inside of his thighs, or into his groin, or just into his gut if you feel like. You can bite him. You can do whatever you want to make him loosen that grip if you're having trouble. And maybe I'm going to be sneaky and grab her head, pull her down to me. And if that happens, all she needs to do is take one of her hands, cross-face him, push up on his jaw, and while you're doing that, dig your fingers into his eyes or into his nose. You really dig in there and make him be worried about the pain you're inflicting, so he can't concentrate on holding you on. If you've got your finger in his eye and you're pushing his head against the ground, he cannot hold your head down. Now once you've got out, you've got a little bit of room, you can post up, you can keep punching him and hitting him to break his grip. And then if he tries to grab your legs, keep a good stance and he can't bring you down, he won't have the leverage. And you just keep hitting him until he makes the space and pull out. And then you can kick him a few times because he's on the ground and you're not. Really?